Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you what I picked up yesterday. This is a 2012 Mazda 5. This is a micro van that is considered here in the US. I'm sure if you know micro vans, they also sell really small vans in Europeans and Asian countries, and those are the K vans that fits generally up to 6 people. So this Mazda 5 is the 2013 model. It's got 112,000 miles. This is the Grand Touring model. Comes with leather seats, front and back, and the third row seats here. Let's see if I could show you. There's a storage on both sides of these seats here. This is a cool little feature. This is a cup holder that you could put away. Close it back. Got an access here to the back seat. Let me pull this thing away so I can access the back seat. Okay, as you can see, these seats here are tiny. It's probably good for a really short person or a kid. Let me try to go back there and see if I fit in there. Alright, so I'm on the third row seat here. I'm about 5'7", 5'8" on a good day, and I'm able to sit here no problem. I'm not sure how that is if you're doing a long trip, but proves that this car is actually able to sit 6 people. So with this Grand Touring model, it has a sunroof, leather seats, and on the outside there's a side skirts and sort of like a spoiler in the trunk area. I will show you that. I like this car, and I originally wanted this because our Honda Accord there, as great as the car is, it's just not enough room for us to carry and sit comfortably. So we wanted to try this van out before we go ahead and buy a big ass van like a Odyssey or Sienna, or even like a bigger one like a Transit or a Sprinter or something. I mean, that's my goal, to get one of those. So this is pretty neat. They got a cup holder here on this side, also on this side. The only thing I didn't like about this, I mean, it's the storage back here. It's super tiny. Look at, you can fit 2 of my hands back here, and the stroller will likely be very tight fit or not fit at all. So we'll have to figure that out. So for now, I'm gonna show you how this seat actually can go down. So there's a lever here for this to go down. There's another lever here, pulls the seat forward. I can get out this way, but I'm gonna try to fold this down all the way so I could access this whole area. Give me 1 second. Alright, I think I figured it out. So I'll have to pull this open. Now get this back part down. I might need more room. Okay, I just pull the front seat forward. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Pull this down. Access the lever in the back. Oh god, I gotta do it with 2 hands. Okay, as I was trying to explain, you gotta get that top part down. Then there's a lever there, which is on this side. Then this tucks in. Make sure you pull the seat forward. Then you have the back seats here. You could either keep this flat if you need maybe changing for your infant, or you could fold the back seats all the way down. Let me show you what that looks like. Let's go around back. This is the spoiler, by the way. Okay, there's a lever here. Pull that forward and it becomes completely flat. So this is a good setup if you want to make this a camper. I'm gonna fold this one down too. nice and flat. So this seat here, you're still able to move it back and forth with the lever down here. All right. I would say this is like a slightly larger Honda Fit, or like a sport wagon, station wagon with 2 extra seats in the back. They're very low to the floor. So let me bring the seat back up. Oh God. And there you go. Now you have 5 seats. And you have a lever here to make this go forward, back down. And that's down there. Got 2 of these, one on each side. Captain chair. And there's AC back here. I hear that from the previous owner. This is only AC, so there's no heating coming from here. Also forgot to mention the front seats do have a seat heater. So that's another feature of this GT model. Alright, so overall, this is a pretty short car. I think this is the same length of my wife's Honda Accord. That's a 2014 model. Also, the GT model came with alloy wheels. Those are 17-inch wheels. It came with the 205/50/17. Currently, they have some Bridgestones Terenza on there. They're the quiet model, so perfect for long trips. You can see how the trunk opens up, but like I said, it is very tiny. Take a look here. Look at how tiny this trunk is. So you can probably fit the stroller on one end here, and what I'll do is I'll put the baby seat on that side. My wife could sit here, or the front seat, and my daughter will sit back here. And that's how the setup's going to be. And the overall design of this Mazda 5, they came with 2 generations. I think this was discontinued 2014, and those were the side skirt I'm talking about. Came in the GT model. Also forgot to mention, this model comes with the HIDs and the projectors, and this is what it looks like in the front. Very unique, but should be pretty practical, and will definitely fit for a small family. So anyways, thanks for watching.